If you're trying to decide between Xero and OneUp for their compliance features, you're in the right place. We're about to compare both software tools in detail and highlight what each offers and what they lack in terms of compliance features. Stick around till the end because I've got a recommendation for a better alternative that might just be what you're looking for. First off, let's dive into Xero. Xero is an industry leader when it comes to cloud-based accounting, and it does deliver on compliance. For starters, Xero complies with a wide range of international financial regulations, including GAAP and IFRS standards. This is a big plus if your business operates across borders. Plus, Xero keeps things updated automatically, so you don't have to worry about missing any changes to tax rates or laws. But here's where it gets tricky. While Xero provides robust compliance tools, they're not always as user-friendly as you might expect. The interface can feel a bit overwhelming if you're not already familiar with accounting software. And despite its global compliance, some users have pointed out that Xero lacks some advanced industry-specific compliance options, which could be a deal breaker if you're in a niche market. Next thing, let's talk about OneUp. OneUp does have its own set of compliance features, but they're generally seen as more basic compared to Xero's. OneUp offers compliance with tax regulations in countries like the US, Canada, and the UK, and it's built to handle things like VAT and sales tax automatically. However, OneUp doesn't have quite the same international reach as Xero when it comes to compliance. While it's a good option for smaller businesses, especially in the US, it might not be the best choice for larger companies or those that need multi-currency and multi-country support. The big difference is OneUp's focus on simplicity and user experience. It's incredibly easy to use, and its compliance features are designed with the small business owner in mind. But again, that simplicity comes with limitations. The more complex compliance requirements, like global tax reporting or advanced audits, are either limited or don't exist at all. The fourth thing to consider is the reporting capabilities of both platforms. Xero definitely has a stronger reporting suite when it comes to compliance. You'll find detailed tax reports, financial statements, and audit trails that comply with major regulations, and they're ready for tax season. OneUp, while it offers good reporting for small businesses, doesn't have the same level of depth. It's great for day-to-day management, but if you need advanced compliance reporting for large audits or government filings, Xero's the clear winner. Next, integration. Xero integrates with over 800 apps, including many that deal directly with compliance. Think payroll, tax, and legal tools. This gives Xero a huge advantage for businesses that need to tie everything together. OneUp, on the other hand, integrates with fewer tools, and while it covers the basics, it might not support the more advanced integrations you need for compliance at scale. Now, both platforms have their strengths, but there's one more thing to consider. Customer support ***. Xero offers 24/7 support, but some users report that it can be a bit slow at times, especially during busy periods like tax season. OneUp offers more personalized support, which some users love, but there have been complaints about delays and limited resources for complex issues. When it comes to dealing with compliance issues, you need timely support, and Xero's more robust system might be the better choice here. After trying both of these myself, I have to say, they're good, but there's an alternative I want you to consider. If you're looking for a better solution for your compliance needs, especially if you need something that's both user-friendly and scales with your business, I recommend checking out the software linked in the description. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits just for our viewers. This might just be the game changer you're looking for when it comes to streamlining compliance for your business. So, while Xero and OneUp are both solid choices, I believe there's a more efficient tool out there. If you want a better alternative that handles compliance seamlessly without the headaches, click the link below and take advantage of that free trial. Trust me, it's worth a look.